Hello everyone, my name is Isabella. I'm CEO of Task One Limited Company. Today I'm not going to talk about wine tasting in general. I will give you an idea about how to export Task Wine into Chinese market. When I mention about Chinese market, whether you like it or not, China ranks the fifth biggest wine import country in the wine world. Worldwide with the annual growth of 3% value. In this video, I'm going to give you very general pictures about how to export Task Wine into China step by step. I will explain you how to use social medias to drive high sales. Firstly, I will explain who are key customer of my business. Demographically, wine is a general purchased by customers representing a broad range of socio-economic background. Statistics show that 68% of import wines are sold to middle customer population with characteristics of income about 200,000 annually. Male age range from 30 to 45, well educated. Among these consumers, wine is seen as more sophisticated drink, so drinking good wine is being perceived as a status symbol. Some customers like you and me will buy one bottle or two bottles as gifts for our friends. Something like governments and companies, they also give presents for partners and or employees, etc. Anyway, wine is healthy and fashionable by date in the top of the list. Next, I'm going to talk about our team. Firstly, I prefer to introduce myself. I previously worked for 2 years as a viticulturist for the largest wine company in Australia. During that period, one of our high-season senior staff and I successfully worked out a unique vinification method which combines with traditional winemaking method and modern fermentation facilities together to ensure a high-quality product at a lower cost. Besides, our sales and marketing coordinator, David, who has a master's degree of marketing and business management. David has 5 years working experience in Green Channel as a distributor in China. And I will introduce Kevin, who has as a CFO at Task One Limited Company, who has a master's degree in business practitioner and a bachelor degree of business practitioner, and previously worked as a CEO at Tracy Resources Solution in China. Well, certainly, I will explain how to adopt my business strategy to Chinese market. One of the strategy, Task One company distribution channel will cover online sales and offline sales. Firstly, I will introduce tell you what about online sales. Online sales stand for sales on eBay, on Taobao, like group buys and etc. For instance, to achieve their 25,000 bottle sales objective in first 3 months, group buy may be one of the effective ways. In the first 2 months, Task One company will sell its wine on the biggest Chinese group buy website. It will sell discounted vouchers on the group buy. And offline sales stand for supermarkets, restaurants, and shops. Another way, TaskOne is determined to outdo our competitors by offering unique and low-price products. This market strategy will meet the satisfaction of all customers. And at the beginning of my business, I think it absolutely still have some risks, like how do we adopt to Chinese culture. There are so many diversity cultures in China, and how could I obtain sufficiency suppliers and financial resources to dealing with the cash flow? As we know, crowdfunding is the best way to get capital, and to reduce our cost. We also have our own vineyard in Hobart. Firstly, I will show you where money comes from and how money works in my business. There are 40% of running funds come from my own bank account. Another 40% consists of bank loan. The rest of 20% are provided by my partners. According to the monthly calculation, the fixed cost is set $125. Average price of cash each bottle of wine is $55, and the average cost is just $2. We've got a break-even point for units is 80,000. It's really the big number, which shows I will earn profit after selling 80,000 bottles of wine in China. Finally, I will talk about my business objective. The first objective to achieve 20% growth in sales each year for the next 3 years. The second one is to reduce fixed cost and variable cost at 10% of revenue in the next 2 years. The last one is to obtain average return on investment of at least 20% in Chinese market in the next 3 years. Alright, so that's all my part of presentation about my TaskOne Limited company. Well, hopefully we'll get more profit in the future. Yeah. And thank you for your watching my video, and thanks for your time. We'll see ya.